In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix spatial wallpaper or 3D lock screen animation not working on your iPhone. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is launch your settings. Now scroll down and head over to the option battery. Now navigate to the option low power mode and disable for this option. Next up, head back. Now you can check whether your problem has been fixed or not. Likewise, next thing you want to do is first restart your device. To do that, press and release the volume up button, quickly press and release the volume down button, and press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Once you do that, your problem might be fixed. Next thing you want to do is head back, launch your settings app. Now scroll down and head over to the option accessibility. Open motion. Now disable for the option reduce motion. While you are adjusting things, remember that not all photos work well with the spatial effect. Choose high quality images with clear forehead and background separation, such as portraits of people or pets. And that's it. With these, you will be good to go. Your problem will be resolved. At the end, if this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.